To use Mendeley Cite in Microsoft Word, open the References tab, then click the Mendeley Cite icon. Click Get Started and take the tour if you are new to Mendeley Cite. Position the cursor where you need a citation, allowing for correct spacing and punctuation. Find the source you are citing and then click Insert Citation. At this stage, the format of the citation does not match DKIT's specific style of Harvard referencing. We will apply DKIT style once we've added more citations. Mendeley can then generate a reference list. Place the cursor where you want the reference list to appear, usually at the end of your text. Then click Insert Bibliography. Mendeley supports many referencing styles. We haven't yet applied DKIT's style of Harvard referencing, but let's do it now. Check your work to make sure that all citations and references are correct and accurate.